Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove all the contaminants that the tail light may have. So once you finish prepping the tail light, now we can move on with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film and make sure you align it to this section of the tail light first. So align it right on the edge. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep it secured, and then with your other hand, tack it down with your squeegee. And just make sure you remove all the solution that's trapped behind the film. And once you secure this section here, we could start stretching the film to reach to this edge here. So to stretch the film, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and the adhesive side of the film. Place it back down, stretch the film up to the edge. Once you have it on the edge, lift it carefully and apply Tack Solution. That way we're able to tack it down to make sure it stays aligned. Have this area dry. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, keep it aligned, and tack it down. And all we need to do now is secure the tint to the tail light. So if you notice, some of the film is shifting because we did the stretch. So just make sure you bring the film a little bit down in order to align it to the bottom section. So in case it does get dry, lift the film carefully and apply Slip Solution to bring the film down. So just bring it down little by little so it can have coverage on the bottom and on top. And now we can start tacking down to secure it. And just apply Tack Solution to help tack down the fingers, and afterwards we could apply heat around this curved area just to help the film sit on this little bump here on the tail light. So apply Tack Solution, and we're going to apply heat to help tack down each section of the tail light. And you could also use your microfiber towel to help the film sit and tack down to each section that we apply heat to. Okay, and now we can move on to the last piece, which is for this tail light. Okay, so just apply Slip Solution for the next lens and Slip Solution onto the adhesive side of the film. And it's basically the same steps on how we did it with this one. Just make sure you align it to the edge of the tail light first. So align it there, Make sure to keep it aligned. So everything's aligned here, so it should be good. And all we need to do now is help it tack down. So apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Secure this piece first, and then we'll work our way with the rest of the tail light to this section. So once you finish tacking down the whole film, now we're going to apply Tack Solution around the edges to bring down any small fingers that may appear on the lens. And once you're done applying heat and tacking down everything, the last step is to post heat both of these to secure the film and also help the adhesive activate faster. So Tack Solution, apply heat, and you can use your microfiber towel around your squeegee to help tack down the fingers. So once you finish with the whole installation, now we can move on with the last step, which is to post heat the entire tint. So all you need to do is apply Tack Solution, grab your heat gun, apply heat all over the film to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And we're also going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that's still trapped behind the film. So just take your time when you're doing this step, and then once you're done applying heat all over the entire tail lights, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design, As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.